So one of our most beloved water fountains here, but the water's gone dry. The Muscle Beach water fountain. Garcetti, please help us. This is one of our favorite water fountains, huh, Torch? This ain't safe. People gotta hydrate here.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's hot out here. We need this.
Once you're thirsty, it's too late.
Oh, I know, that stings.
Look at that. That's a shot right here. Get a close up. Once you're thirsty, it's too late, people.
Oh, you make me thirsty, Burger. Oh, bring back the water.
I get thirsty talking about it too. Yeah, I'm making myself back.
Yeah, UFO sighting today. All right, gonna come.
Like electric packs on his bike.
We out here. Drink it up. Bring back water. We need the agua. We're thirsty. Sands of time. What's up, bros?
Yeah,
Hey,
with
guys.
steam. I love that.
Steam, yeah, steam, science, technology, engineering, arts and math.
If they
So I'm
finally
building a
put it
facility.
Here, they call it the bridge. It's supposed to bridge up from the permanent house in and off the street. When I come out, I put all these tattoos. I had my name, my wife's name, I added to it, calling it the bridge that brings us all together.
There you go, bro.
So my memory, I can look at my tattoo and I know everything that it stands for.
They were worried about, well, Al, where are we going to have it? I go, don't worry. I'm going to go pick up trash in the area and God will be
Yeah,
first I
this
need to
area
talk
up
to.
here, like I say, you'll see the policemen.
I'm going to go walk over there.
With them. I'm going that way.
Yeah, let's walk over.
But it's, you have a good day, brother.
you too.
Thank you.
You two
You had
guys.
trouble, huh?
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
You're killing it.
Thanks, man.
It takes an army of us, right? Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
A lot of trash. Good exercise.
Bro, Monday night, my bishop's going to be out here from New York.
Oh, wow.
Be around. Yeah, he's just going to be speaking out
Oh, wow.
here. He's
Okay.
gonna bring it, like, he's going to... There's people coming from Fresno.
By the skate park?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Monday night.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
We'll be there.
Cool. 5:30.
All right. Thank you. 5:30 Monday night, the Bishop. Tip of the day.